Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, we are going to be doing skincare. You'll see me with nothing on my skin. I try to get through that as fast as I can. I'll just show you what I like to use. I'm not very helpful. I'm not a doctor, but these are the products that I've been using and loving. So I'm passing that information on to you. I do this quick makeup. Takes like 5 minutes. Just the foundation and contour and blush and everything that I like to use if I just want to like throw something on and get out the door. Let's get started. Okay, so I'll go over the cleansers and everything that I do because I just washed my face now, but I'll go over the cleansers and everything towards the end. Just because my face is, I need moisture. First thing I do is my eye cream. So this is by Clarins. And this is the double serum. So I just put like a pump of that. And I just go underneath the eyes gently and a little bit around. And I use a serum for the rest of my face. This is Skin Hill Nourishing Oil, and this is by Beauty Bay. I'm almost out of this. This is super nice. Oh, I'm losing it. So I put like 5 or 6 drops, and then again, just gently pat it all over my face. And this feels like super hydrating, and it gives the skin like a really nice glow. Even with my foundation, I like to have like a glow to the skin or a little bit of a shine rather than a matte look. And I bring it down my neck, onto my chest, everywhere. I've been loving these, the Glow Play by MAC Cosmetics. I think it has like a slight pearl to it. I put that all over my lips and then over my lips too, because I feel like that helps. I'm not a dermatologist. To lock everything in, I use my moisturizer. This is the Weleda Skin Food. I use this day and night. It smells great. And it really like hydrates the skin. So I just press that all over, again, same places, onto the neck. I'm glad I wear a scarf. Onto my chest, everywhere, day and night. I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on, like what I would do for if I'm just like running out or on a day off, or I just wanted a little bit of something. That's what I'm gonna do. This is the CC Plus Nude Glow by IT Cosmetics. I just put a little pump because I mainly focus under my eyes, because anytime I put any kind of foundation or anything on my skin, I start to see texture and fine lines, and I don't want that. Where I have like melasma, old age. I just pat everything, so I don't want to like pull at my skin. Needs all the help it can get. And I do it almost like down the bridge of my nose, or on like the side of it, underneath, and a little bit onto my cheeks. Then I'll take just a little bit more and I'll go into just the sides of my nose, not bringing it down, just keeping it like right here. That's it. I use the Stay Woke Concealer by Wilma in number 2, or Fair Lady, hold on, White Pearl T2. And the color for the IT Cosmetics, I believe, is Fair number 4. And I just take a small brush. This is by What's Up Beauty. I like this because it's small enough to get just into these little pockets right here. It's got a little fluff to it, so it almost airbrushes it on instead of like packing too much, because this has a lot of coverage. So I just go right into that little area, and wherever I have like a little bit of darkness, so a little bit on the inner corner, but basically I just put it where I need it. See how it just lightens that area? And then with like, I take off what's left on my brush, and I just pat any hard lines. I keep all of this because I like that, and I usually put liner there, so I don't bring the concealer all the way up. I just use it right where there's a little bit of a dark circle is. For contour, I use the Double Take in number 3 from Wilma Beauty, and I just push that like right underneath my cheekbone, just right there. I do a little bit into my temple. I don't like too much. I just want to kind of like push up the cheekbone. I have like a little bit of redness here. I really don't mind it. On the other side of this is a highlighter. So I just load up my finger, and then I just basically apply that. Sorry, I'm not flipping you off. Just apply that right there. On the tip of my nose, down the bridge, and a little on my chin. I love this color so much. As you can see, I'm gonna need a whole new palette just for this one color. The 188 brush, and I apply it a little bit higher on my cheeks just because my face is melting off of my face because I'm getting older. Wherever you put the blush placement is kind of like where the eye goes. So I want it to be just a little bit higher. And then with what's left, I'll just kind of marry the contour with the cheek color. I just push it into the back of my hand. That way I don't have to worry about too much going on all at once because it is a cream product and it's super pigmented, so you don't need a lot of it. And the concealer that I put down, I don't worry too much about it moving when I'm putting this on top of it because it does set itself pretty well. To set everything, I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I just put some in the cap. I use this brush. This brush is by Prados Beauty. I just push it into the brush, tap off the excess, and I set the concealer, and then with what's left on my brush, I just kind of do a once over. I like this brush because of the size of it, because I don't want to mattify everything, just those areas that I want a little bit less shine and for it to last longer. Brows. This is called Dirty Blonde by MAC. I don't think they use this pencil-like anymore, but they do have similar colors. I usually bleach my brows, but just to give it a little bit more shape, I go underneath here because there's like a little bit of a bald spot right here, just right there. I make it a little bit higher at the arch, and then towards the tail, I just pull it further out rather than down. That way it more elongates the eye area rather than cutting it off or making it more of that rounded brow. Can't see all that well. I'm just doing this right into the camera, so it's probably not too perfect, but close enough. Yeah, you get it. Then I take another brow product. This is, I believe, called Stud, and I don't think they use this component anymore. You're being super helpful, Courtney. Thanks. I just go over where I have my beauty marks. That way, any of the makeup that I put on that kind of dulled those down, I just put them back on. Boop. I find that if you can see your beauty marks, it almost like tricks the other people's eyes into thinking that you don't have a lot of makeup on because you can still see like freckles and beauty marks through it. Then I just take like any kind of like brownish shadow. This is a cool little pencil brush. This is the 219 from MAC. I just run it along the lash line, pull it out, top and bottom, just kind of like, make it kind of like a wing, a little bit along the lash line. If you have any hard lines, you can just kind of like run your finger along it and blend that in. But that's pretty much all I do. I think that's called Barranquilla. I'm gonna butcher everything, which is like a reddish brown, and this is from the Black Magic Carnival palette. Such a good color, and the whole palette is beautiful. And I curl my lashes. This is a Shuamura lash curler, voluminous lash. I always put a primer onto my lashes first. It just helps me see where I'm putting the mascara, but it also lengthens and thickens even before you put a mascara on. And it also helps you to remove the mascara at the end of the day. Just top and bottom. This is MAC Stack mascara. You can wait for the primer to set itself a little bit, or you can just go straight in. Whatever works best for you. And this is the part where I'll spend the most time is on my mascara. And you just load up the top and the bottom. Oh God, every time. Why does my nose get in the way? Always right there. And there. Then I'll just throw in a lip liner. This is Luxe Liner Sweet Nothing by Juvia's Place. I go a little bit above my lip line right in the Cupid's bow, and then I just smudge it. Same under there. Smudge it. It just creates like more of a poutier look rather than like a lined lip look. What? Just a little in the outer corners. And smudge. The lip conditioners that, the one that I had on before, the colorless one, I'll link everything in the description box. They have multiple colors, so if you wanted to just keep it really nude, you could use like just a color like this. But if you wanted to add a little bit more color, you know, since it's such a neutral look, you can amp it up with a little bit more on the lip. But I love these because they're hydrating. They last a pretty long time on the lip itself, and they add that little bit of tint to the look. That's pretty much it for just like skincare, foundation, and just a little bit of something to get out the door. Going over just some ways that I remove my makeup. Bioderma. This is the Ultra Nourishing Anti-Irritation Cleansing Oil. I love using a cleansing oil to remove my makeup because it just emulsifies all of it and gets it off really easily. So I was always taught to take your makeup off and then wash your face. So I do this to remove my makeup, but I'm sure you can wash your face with it too. It's just really hydrating, and it's very, very nice. Then I follow up with the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. So I'll wash my face with this after I remove my makeup. A couple times a week, I like to exfoliate, and I've been using the Laura Mercier Refining Cream Polish. I just keep this in the shower, and after like I wash my face, I'll just throw that on. I'll do chest and everything. Just kind of helps the process, lots off some of the dead skin cells so that all of the other skincare can really get in and do its job. Another couple times a week is that I love doing masks. So I've been using Beauty by Earth. It's a clear complexion hydrating face mask. So you just throw a little bit on, you wait like 15-20 minutes, it hardens, detoxifies, and then you just rinse it off and your skin is detoxified. What else? For my lashes, I always use Revitalash. This is a lash growth serum. I've been using it for over a decade. It really does lengthen and thicken your lashes. My lashes were very thin and very short, and then I started using that, and I love my lashes. Love my life. And also by Peach and Lily, this is another really nice mask. This is the Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. So I try to switch up my skincare. They say that your skin, I don't know, I'm not a doctor, but they say that your skin gets used to the skincare. So if you like alternate your skincare, then you trick your skin into thinking, oh, I'm brand new. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful in some way, but just so you know, these are some of the products that I've been really liking and how I get, how I like to do my skincare, and just like a really quick, like 5-minute makeup and to get up and out the door. If you like videos like this, please leave me a comment, or if you'd like to see me do any other kinds of videos, I'm here for you. So leave that in the comments down below. I love reading those, and thank you guys so much for everybody who has been commenting. It really means a lot to me, and it does help me, you know, create more content that you would like to see. So anything, let me know. I will leave all the products that I use in the description. That's it. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.